A haunting at Stony Hill Heart Academy. A young lady signed up for a course at Stony Hill Heart Academy but ended up boarding. Let's call her Tara. She initially planned to go to the Runaway Bay location, but that didn't go as planned. The first day, Tara went in to check into her room and felt the host of hell surrounding the premises. It was heavy, dark, gloomy, and you could feel the evil. She remembered walking in one of the rooms and had to step back out. She turned to one of the girls and asked if she felt that. The girl replied, "You know, Cisa may come out fast." Tara hated it there. It was a toxic environment as well, but the place was so haunted. You'd feel drained every morning going down to class or devotion. She told a girl that the place is haunted, but the girl begged her not to say anything because she was too scared, so she kept it to herself. While she was there, Tara prayed and read her Bible every chance she got. She always covered herself and tried to fight her way through, just so she could do the classes. One evening while she was laying down, she had a dream. In the dream, she saw a young duppy woman, maybe late 20s, early 30s, climbing a white staircase that resembles the steps at the dorm. The duppy woman was dressed like a nurse in a full white suit. She approached Tara in the dream and stared angrily at her. Tara struggled in her sleep, and she had sleep paralysis. Finally, she snapped out of it and woke up shaking. She felt evil inside that room. Then it came to her instantly. The girl was a duppy. Tara was in her dorm bed, and the duppy wants sleep. Tara told a couple people. She told them that she believed that someone died there recently. Tara later found out that a young woman died there, and her suitcase was left inside Tara's dorm room. The institution tried to hide it, but the students eventually found out. Everyone was saying that the girl who died looked like Tara, but Tara never saw her. The duppy woman that Tara saw was dark and a bit on the thick side. Tara didn't want to stick around there for long, so she left. She called someone to get her when the head wasn't around, because she was told she was not allowed to leave at all unless she finished the course. To this day, Tara cannot explain how she ended up there. One thing that she knew for sure, she knew that if she did stick around, something terrible would have happened.
Check out the playlist below for more.